I just use good old diversified Lisa here. So we're going to do a right C2 through C4. Really good one. And then we're going to go down a little bit lower.
Okay, that just got to the most popular video.
Now we're going to do an anterior thoracic. Just open up this mid back. There. So when I feel the spinous processes, the ones that feel squishy, drop your shoulders. It's not because that vertebra is out of shape. It's because that vertebra is inflamed or has inflammation or swelling, so that the actual bone will feel a little squishier compared to the others because it has inflammation. So that's where I know to work on. Lay on your side facing me. Good. Perfect. We're going to bring this down. And shoulder back. Little baby L5 adjustment. I love it.
I like it.
Side.